Hey guys, it's McCurl. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing passion twist. I have already pre-sectioned my hair, as you guys can see. I did not want to do this all in one go, so I did my wash day yesterday. I washed, deep conditioned, detangled, moisturized, oiled up. My hair is ready to go. I have exactly 40 sections to do. This process usually takes me about 4 hours total. This is the hair that I'm using. I purchased at my local supply store. It has 3 different lengths for a total of 105 strands. It's definitely not gonna take me 105 strands. This pack is probably gonna last me a really long time. The lengths are 11, 10, and 9-inch strands, and this color is a really deep dark burgundy, which is currently what my hair color is. You can't tell on camera, but it's dark burgundy, I promise. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to install this hair, and yeah, so I'm going to start in the front just because it's easier to do the demonstration from the front. And this installation is going to be a braid top installation. That's what I call it because I divide it into 3 pieces just like you would any normal regular braid. So I'm going to be using the 9-inch strands to begin. They do have a crochet hook top, but that just really kind of makes it easier in my opinion. I already have a piece that has been unraveled. You see that this piece has maintained its shape for the most part, which just really kind of makes it easier. So when you twist it back, it just kind of goes with the flow and twists back. The first step is to divide a section into 3. They do not have to be even. They can if you want them to be, but I'm not about that life. Then you will take your piece of extension, noting that there's 2 sides, and then match those 2 sides to the outermost sections from the 3. Make sure that you leave the middle section out and pinch the top tight. Now I'm going to show you where that middle piece goes by doing a repetitive motion. You're going to take the middle piece over one side, and the piece that it goes over goes to the middle. That sounds really complicated, but I promise it's not. Again, I'm showing you the repetitive motion. Right now I'm just switching hands to make it easier to see, but the motion is going to be the same again. Taking the middle piece over, and the piece that it goes over goes down to the middle. We're going to keep doing it again and again by taking that middle piece up and over and swapping it with that piece it goes over. We're going to do this 4 or 5 times until you have just enough braid that it's not going to slip. Then once you feel secure with your braid, you'll be able to take the hair and just blend it down into a twist. The easiest way to do that is to just distribute the piece of hair that has not already been blended into the 2 sides that have been blended and just twist down. You may have to watch this a couple of times, but I really hope that this was helpful. This style took me 3.5 hours. I started at 10 o'clock, finished at 1:30, so really, this is a style that just can't be beat. 3.5 hours like that. Did it during a work day, okay? This style is just so cute. I love doing passion twists. It's such a quick, easy, simplistic, lightweight style. It's versatile, and I just love it. So I really hope that you guys like this video. And I hope that the directions were easy enough for you guys to follow along. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video. And I will see you guys in my next one.